Meaning of instance.
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 Instance. The word instance has a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In computer programming, an instance refers to a specific occurrence or instantiation of a class. Each instance of a class has its own set of values for the class's attributes, which allows multiple independent copies of the same code to be executed simultaneously. In general usage, an instance can refer to a particular example or occurrence of something. For example, you might say that was an instance of poor customer service to describe a specific negative experience you had with a company. In legal contexts, an instance can refer to a particular case or occurrence that is being considered by a court. For example, in this instance, the court found in favor of the plaintiff. Overall, an instance refers to a specific occurrence or example of something, whether in the context of computer programming, language, or law.